So the hunt for cosmetics that's working with this perimenopausal skin continues. So I picked up a package from the Lip Bar as well as the Miracle Balm palette from Jones Road. Let me tell you how that worked out. New Year is upon us, and obviously we needed, need is an incredibly strong word. We wanted some new cosmetics, so I finally ordered something from the Lip Bar, and I'm so excited to get into this box because I've been looking for a really good red, and I know people have talked about Boss Lady for like forever. Boss Lady or Boss Lady? For forever. And so I thought, let me go ahead and get myself a little something. So what did we pick up? Okay, we got a couple of cute things here. Now, I currently use Mally's foundation as well as Laura Geller because it just works well for this perimenopausal skin. But the Lip Bar is vegan, so I'm excited to try something new for the face. So we're gonna see how it works out, but let's jump into what we purchased, which was like one of the kits, and I got a couple of extra lippies because Gwendolyn really likes a pink lip. I love a good hot pink lip. What do we have? Okay, so we've got Set the Tone. That's a finishing powder. Okay, like that. We have the Fresh Glow Dream Blush. Nice. And these are colors that were selected based on my skin tone. So that'll be even more exciting as well to see how all this works out. There is the Next to Skin Blurring Powder, or I'm sorry, primer. Do I need to have lunch? Maybe. All right, we've got the Just a Tint 3-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer, and this does have an SPF of 11, so I'm digging it. Now, it says here that it's got a radiant coverage that's buildable, and it has hyaluronic acid, so we'll see if this makes a difference on the skin. We're gonna find out. We are going to find out. We also have in here the setting spray, and I want to say this collection was $99 if I'm not mistaken. That's what I want to say it is. So we've got a whole set of all the goodies. Oh, those are the lippies that we purchased. Let's see. Let's stay with the makeup here. We got the Quick Conceal. It's got caffeine in it, which is good for under your eyes. And then also there is the Micro Brow Pencil that I picked up as well. So, all right, we're stacking it up. And then I had to get, I want to say it came with the lip, and then I picked up, no, I don't think it came with the lip. No, there were no lips involved. I purchased some lips. Okay, Gwendolyn, get it together. So in that collection of lips, there is the Gloss Up lip gloss, which I'm not a very big gloss person. Gwendolyn is primarily mattes. I am mattes, and then I do like a little bit of lip balm on like my basic day, but it's like a tinted lip balm. So we'll see if we put this to use. I mean, I have it, so I want to use it, but I finally got my package of Boss Lady and then Big Gretch, because I like a good pink. And so when I saw it, I said, Gwendolyn, this may be your friends. This may be it. So we're gonna see how all of these look on the face. We'll do a quick face. I'm really good for 5 minutes, and we'll get some finishing results. This just arrived. I wasn't even expecting it. I completely forgot that I'd ordered something, but this is from Jones Road. Now, I've been seeing this Miracle Balm palette, and I thought, okay, Gwendolyn, let's try it. Let's see what it's about. So we ordered the Miracle Balm palette. Yes. And then I also needed another eye brush. It was about that time. The one I had was like, I'm over it. So this is going to be interesting. I'm actually going to, I think I'm gonna try on a couple of colors. All right, so let's talk about this Miracle Balm palette from Jones Road, because it was floating around earlier. And so it comes with three things. There's an all over face color, there's a blush, and then there is a highlighter. Highlighter at the top, blush in the middle, all over face color at the bottom. And it's truly, in my opinion, positioned as if you want to just a little bit of hint of color on your face, you could take this palette with you and you apply it with your hands. You can use a brush between your finger to break it up to get started, but you can apply it all over your face to get a little bit of color. Now, it's not a foundation, okay? So it's not providing that kind of coverage. It really is a hint. And for me, the life I'm living, I don't wear a lot of cosmetics, period. I pretty much go on the camera barefaced. So I applied the all over color, and it took me a little while to see it, but you can definitely build it. And if you want to really see it, in my opinion, you're gonna have to build it. So we did apply it once with the fingers to get started. I tried the brush, but I wasn't crazy about how the brush was applying the product. So I went back to just using my fingers. But the cheeks I actually like quite a bit, and I use the cheeks on a daily basis. So I went from just wearing a bare face but a lip to wearing the lip and applying the cheeks from the Miracle Balm palette that I use on a daily basis when I go live, or if I'm going to record something really quick. It does add that little pop of color on the cheek, brings a little warmth in. And then from time to time, I have found myself using the highlighter as well. And then I will apply when I want to do a little something extra, and it really is a little something extra. I will apply the all over face color on my eyelids. So I got what I paid for. I'm actually quite impressed with it. Would I do another one? Perhaps, but this I do believe is gonna last me a long time, only because I don't wear a lot of cosmetics on a daily basis. It's just not how I vibe. I gotta be in a really good mood, and even if I'm going somewhere, I gotta be in a really good mood, which is why I picked it up, because I enjoy just doing a pop of color. So we applied the cheeks here. And at one point I put on too much. The good thing is you can move it around. Like it's easy to spread on the face. You don't have to worry about, oh, do I have everything right? You just work it in with your fingers. Again, you could use a brush. So we applied the all over color. I applied the cheeks, and then I went back and added just a little bit of the highlighter to do the whole thing. And then after that, I actually added some eyes and the lip and the rest of the face. But for someone who doesn't wear foundation on a daily basis, I like to do a CC cream or a BB cream just to get, or a tinted moisturizer just to get, again, a little color, a little coverage. I found this to be exactly what I needed. So this is going to be a mainstay for me. Oh man, okay, so let me just get right into it. I mean, this mic is not part of this mic. My mic is here. I should talk into my mic. I should talk into this mic, or put it someplace close to me, right? So we got the Jones Road, right? We got the Jones Road yesterday. I forgot I had ordered it. I don't remember getting anything that said, hey, your stuff has shipped. Maybe I missed it. I probably missed it. But I got it, and I said, okay, well, let me play with some colors and see what happens. And I have to say, I like it. I did the all over tint color all over to give myself a little warmth, right? So it is, I'm gonna say tacky. You can feel it. It feels good, but you can feel it on your skin. If you touch your skin, you can feel it. They mentioned that you could
use a powder if you want to take out some of the shine. But I think it looks pretty nice, right? So we did the all over face color. We did add the cheeks, little rosy cheeks there. And there was a little bit of a highlighter, so I kind of added that in, but I didn't need too much once I looked at it because the cheeks have like a little bit of shimmer in it as well. At least it does in my opinion. So you didn't need too much. Didn't need too much there. Now the eyes, I think they're from Tarte. I can't remember. Brow is Revlon. Lip is the Lip Bar. But overall, I wanted a very quick face because I had to do, I like my word choice. I had to do some self-portraits. Now it is August. And so I did not do the August portraits in July. Time got away from me. But I got it done today. I still have one more session to do. I will probably more than likely do a different setup, but I wanted something light for the day, something light and easy and quick for today. And then, I can do whatever. But the Jones Road Miracle Balm, I am loving it. Yeah. I feel once I get through this first package, this palette that had the 3 colors, I see myself getting some full-size containers. And this is good. Now, a dear friend is trying their tinted moisturizer. If it goes well, I will definitely add it in. Now, I currently have the Beekman 1802 tinted moisturizer, which I like. However, travel-wise, I don't think it travels very well, at least not for me. I mean, it's in a glass bottle, ceramic bottle, and you do have to shake it up before you put it on, and it's just, when I'm traveling, I need quick and easy on the go. So this kind of thing where I can throw a little color on my face, it's not a foundation, but I can throw a color on my face and just go, oh, I could do this all day. I got all the time in the world for this. It's like, and it's this big. It's like, okay, yeah, say less. I'm down for it. But yes, Jones Road Miracle Balm palette. Love it.
So let's talk about the lip bar. So this all over full face package was one of the best things I purchased. I gotta say so, because I don't wear a lot of cosmetics, but when I do, I want all the things at once. So really enjoy getting the matte finishing powder. I absolutely love the primer. It's so silky and smooth, and I do enjoy the setting spray. So happy to have those as well. This is what I actually travel with. It's easy to work with. I travel with it. They're not large in size. And so that works for me. The few times that I do put on a full face before I film, I am now wearing the lip bar. I really enjoy the tinted moisturizer. The blush, I'm 50-50 on. Sometimes I like it, and a lot of times I'm like, It's not the right shade of pink that I typically like to wear. It's more of a peach, which is not something that I do. So sometimes I put it on, a lot of times I don't put it on, but the 3-in-1 tinted moisturizer, because it has that SPF, it's not a high, it's only 11, but it's still enough. It's enough to get me started, I should say, that I enjoy wearing that tinted moisturizer and then using the powder to set it. The concealer is great. I like that as well. It goes on nice and smooth. It's not too cakey. The eyebrow pencil, I have not tried yet because I already have another eyebrow pencil open, and I don't like having a lot of product open just to have it open and trying out 5,000 things. It's not how I roll. Funny enough, before that, I was wearing, as I said before, Mally and Laura Geller. The Laura Geller has gotten really dry on my skin. Look, we are perimenopausal. One day is working, the other day it is not. So I like, again, wearing this moisturizer. And of course, I have my favorite colors here. We've got Playmate and Boss Lady. That red is everything. It is everything. And that pink, which is now called Big Gretch, love that pink lip. If it's anything that I really enjoy, it's a good pink lippy, and that pink always serves. That red always serves. And so I'm happy in that regard. Give me a really nice lip, a little bit of something on my cheek, and Gwendolyn is good. So these are things that I'm working with now in the cosmetic bag. Let me know if you guys have tried Jones Road or the lip bar. Talk to you guys soon.